Hi, beloveds. Did you know that the more you love yourself, the more you detach from things that don't love you? If you're finding yourself to be in situations where things just keep going wrong, things aren't working out, you feel stressed, you feel mistreated, it may be you're mistreating yourself. It may be you're stressing yourself. And then by the way you treat yourself, you are dictating to the universe and to other people within that universe how to treat you. If you don't take care of yourself, if you don't respect yourself, if you don't self-care, if you don't treat yourself well, how can you expect other people to do the same, to do anything different than how you treat yourself? So when you begin to self-care, where you take care of yourself, respect yourself, do healthy things, make good decisions, be kind to yourself, others will see that and then they will be kind to you. And if they're not kind to you, even though they see how you take good care of yourself, you will naturally repel them. And if they try to mistreat you or do anything bad or whatever, you will reject that. You will say, no. How in the world would I allow someone else to treat me worse than I treat myself? The logic doesn't work. So think about if things are happening in your external world, the people you are associating yourself with, your relationships, your job, if that's not going well, if they're not treating you well, think to yourself, well, how am I treating me? So start with yourself. When you start with yourself, then everything comes back out into the world in a positive way. And then the world, the universe will see that, other people will see that, and you will begin to reject those things that are no longer serving you. But you got to serve yourself first. You have to self-care first. That sets the standard. And for example, that's why a lot of people are in really bad romantic relationships. They don't have any self-esteem. They walk over themselves. They say, oh, I'm going to do this. I'm going to leave. Or I'm going to blah, blah, blah. They don't do it. They allow people to walk over them. And then they get mad when other people walk over them. If you're not going to have self-esteem to say, you know what, I'm worth it. I'm better than this. I deserve more than this. I deserve more than someone treating me mean and saying mean things and calling me this or that and breaking their promises to me. When you break promises to yourself, you mistreat yourself. You call yourself bad names. You say, oh, I'm stupid. I'm this and that. So think about how you are talking to yourself, how you're viewing yourself, because it starts there. Because I promise you this, as soon as you begin to tell yourself, I am better than this. I deserve more than this. This is not what I'm meant to be doing, then that allows you to say no to those things that, aren't in alignment with how you think about yourself. But if you think, oh, I'm this and that and oh, blah, blah, you're going to attract people who believe what you believe about yourself. So change how you believe about yourself, and then everything else will start to fall in place. All right, beloveds, take care, self-care. Bye-bye.